At Capel Manor College, real-world learning is at the heart of what we do. Supporting the return of beavers to London shows how education can drive positive environmental change. Approximately 4 years ago, we partnered with Enfield Council to bring a pair of beavers into a managed enclosure as part of a wider conservation and flood mitigation initiative. Today, there are 8 beavers, and they're not just surviving, they're thriving. For our students studying animal management and wildlife and environmental conservation, this project offers a once-in-a-lifetime learning opportunity. They've been involved in everything from wildlife monitoring to water testing, habitat surveys and even tree planting. We're proud to be playing a key role in shaping a greener future for London, while giving our students the skills and experience they need to make a difference.